In today's video, I will walk you through how to clear Spotify cache. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once Spotify is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. Click your profile photo or your name to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. You'll now be taken to the Settings page. From here, scroll down until you reach the Storage section. In the Storage section, look for the option labeled Clear Cache. Once you find it, click Clear Cache. A confirmation message will appear asking you to confirm that you want to continue. Confirm the action to proceed. Spotify will then remove the temporary files stored in its cache. Depending on the amount of cached data, this process may take a moment to complete. After the cache has been cleared, Spotify may need to buffer some data again when you play music or other content. If you previously downloaded music for offline listening on this computer, you may need to download it again afterward. Your playlists, saved songs, podcasts, library, and account will remain in place. That's all you need to do to clear the Spotify cache on your computer. To review the process, click your profile photo or name in the top right corner of the Spotify window. Select Settings from the menu, then scroll down to the Storage section. Find the Clear Cache option and click it. When the confirmation message appears, confirm the action. Once the process is complete, the cached files will be removed from Spotify on that computer. If you use Spotify on more than one computer and want to clear the cache on another device, repeat the same process on that computer. The cache is stored separately on each device, so clearing it on one computer does not clear it on another. And that's how to clear Spotify cache. Thank you for watching.